Dear viewers, in this episode, let's learn how to tie these two perfect bows. Alright, now let's get started with the design 1. Hey everyone, let's now learn design 1. All you need are just a gift box, a long satin ribbon of a color of your choice, and a sharp pair of scissors. Alright, let's start tying it. Carefully observe how I wrap the ribbon around the gift box. Well, that was the design 1. Very simple, right? Now let's learn another design. This design is different from the first one only in terms of the initial wrap. So all you need are just a gift box, a long satin ribbon of your choice, and a sharp pair of scissors. Now carefully observe how I wrap the ribbon around the gift box. Hold the knot and gently pull the bow to the desired position. I hope that you all love these two bow designs. So see you all in another video. Till then, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.